Mike Hughes here. I'm at Solitude 1, and I'm here with the Liveaboards and Resorts, and I'm here with Bo. And you want to tell us a little bit about your operation?
How's it going, guys? Yeah, we're out of the Philippines, Palau, and Indonesia. So we've got two boats, the Adventure and the Solitude 1.
Okay.
And a resort in Lembeh.
And then Lembeh itself, in the Lembeh Straits. Okay, cool.
So this one, the Solitude 1, is a 50-meter beast, and she traverses from Palau to Philippines every year and vice versa, depending on the season. This one, the Adventure, she's a very new cat, and she is going to be running in Indonesia, doing Komodo, Raja Ampat, and the Banda Sea.
Nice.
And yeah, we do a good 11 trips per destination per season every year.
Okay, so like if they're with the Solitude Lembeh, the big attraction is the 3,000 billion types of frogfish in the area, because that is the home. And then for the Solitude 1, what would be the main attraction going that way?
Okay, first about the Lembeh Resort.
Yeah.
What makes it special over there is our boats. It's not in the photo, but our dive skiffs are massive. Two 200 horsepower engines in the back, and that means we get access to the outer reefs, which nobody goes to, and it's gorgeous out there. So you get the muck, the frogfish, and you get the reefs at the same time. Now Solitude 1 starts off her year in Palau, and we do a lot of the fish spawning aggregation, and we transition to Philippines. We do 19-day trips all the way to the Philippines.
Yes.
And we're there for the rest of the season in Tubataha. Tubataha is the biggest marine park in the Philippines, and it's been protected for so many years. The diving is amazing.
Cool. That wouldn't be a relationship of yours in that picture, right?
No relation.
Okay, I just want to make sure. And if they want more information about when you go and how long they go, what is the website?
Find us at solitude.world. Or find us on Facebook or Instagram.
Solitude.world. Okay, and there we go. And Bo, thank you very much.
No, thank you.